I got a super fun Japanese kei car, Suzuki Alto, small but very loud. The owner came to me with the problem that doors are noisy and constantly rattling. When I opened the door, I was shocked. Corrosion everywhere. Someone tried to soundproof it before with very bad quality. They literally missed all technologies, but at SDS we can fix everything. Firstly, I removed all the old junk. Even found wheel balancing weights inside the door. Then I applied anti-noise tape on every plastic part, cleaned and degreased the door card. Next, an anti-noise tape on every clip to stop rattling, and vibration damping to stop plastic producing the noise. And finally, firmly roll the material it with the technology. And final touch, special sound absorption for silence. That's not at all. See you in the part 2.